Washington state takes habitability very seriously, and as a landlord here, you're held to some of the more detailed standards in the country. The primary law you need to know is the Residential Landlord-Tenant Act. That's RCW Chapter 59.18. Under Washington law, landlords have an extensive list of obligations. You must maintain the dwelling in a condition that is structurally sound and weathertight. You're required to provide adequate locks and security on doors and windows, keep plumbing fixtures and systems in good working order, supply hot and cold running water and adequate heating, maintain electrical systems safely, provide working smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms, and keep common areas reasonably clean and safe. What makes Washington unique is how specific the statute gets. For example, the law explicitly requires landlords to provide adequate garbage receptacles and arrange for trash removal. It also addresses pest control. Landlords are responsible for infestations unless the tenant caused the problem. And if your property was built before 1978, you have disclosure obligations regarding lead-based paint. Washington also has one of the more tenant-friendly repair remedy processes in the country. If a landlord fails to address a habitability issue after proper written notice, the tenant has several powerful options. They can make the repair themselves and deduct the cost from rent, up to 2 months' rent for a single repair. They can report the issue to local code enforcement. They can file for a rent reduction in court. Or, if the issue is severe enough, they can terminate the lease entirely. The notice period in Washington depends on the severity. For emergencies, like no heat, no water, or a broken door lock, the landlord gets 24 hours. For non-emergency repairs, the standard window is 10 days after written notice. Washington also has robust retaliation protections. Landlords cannot raise rent, reduce services, or attempt eviction within 90 days of a tenant making a habitability complaint, one of the longer protection windows in the nation. For the full guide on Washington's habitability requirements, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com and subscribe to this channel to keep up with landlord-tenant laws in every state.